Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Murshedul Haq, and most welcome to my channel, Murshed Maths Tutoring. Hello, viewers, and my dear students. How are you today? Hopefully, you are fine. Today, we are going to solve exercise 9. I mean, Pythagoras related problems. This exercise is very important not only for grade 8 but also for grade 10, 9, 10 also. So I hope, my dear students, you are with me. If you try to join, surely you will learn a lot. It will be the best use of your time. After 1 minute, I will start my topic. So by this time, Ashfaq Hussain join, Farhin Sultan join, Shaharima Tabassum also join, Aminur Rashid join, Abdul Rahman join, and Noshim also join. Thank you very much. Convey the message to all. Okay, Farhin Sultana, call me. How are you? I am not good at all because I have lost my hair due to COVID-19. Alas, I am undone. My soul knows the bounds. Am I clear to you, Farhin? So try to join after 1 minute. I will start. Hmm. So how are you all, my dear students? What about your study? Shaharima Tabassum wants to join. Okay, Noushin, fine. Thank you very much. Try to join, my dear students, because today's topic is very important. Tahsin Mahbub also join. Walaikum Assalam. Because um, Pythagoras theorem is actually very important, and one question must become from here, so don't miss it. Already you have learned in your regular class Pythagoras theorem, a statement and proof, converse of Pythagoras theorem, like that. So at first you have to know a statement of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Safa also joined. Thank you very much. A statement of Pythagoras theorem. This one is very important because this one sometimes came for a number question in creative. So don't miss it. You have to memorize or you have to learn this one. Means a statement of Pythagoras theorem. Do you know, my dear students, what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras theorem? Do you know? Please let me know. Yes. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Thank you very much. No, this one not a statement. This one pro. Okay, Shanjana Islam also joined. Thank you very much. Okay, Pythagoras was a famous Greek mathematician. Clear, my dear student? Pythagoras was a famous Greek mathematician. He is known best for the proof of the important Pythagorean theorem, which is known about which is about right angle triangle. Without right angle triangle, you can't apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let's see. A statement of Pythagoras theorem is in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. This is the statement of Pythagoras theorem. So, in a right angle triangle, see this one is a right angle triangle. Why? Because one angle is 90 degree. So this one is a right angle triangle, and the opposite side of this angle is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And you can consider this one base and this one what? Perpendicular. Clear? Okay. Hypotenuse is another name. The longest or largest side of any triangle, the largest side of any triangle is known as hypotenuse. Here, so if this one is a hypotenuse, you can consider this one C, and perpendicular you can consider A, and base you can consider what? B. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can say a square plus b square equal to means the sum of the squares of the two sides, means a square plus b square equal to the square of the hypotenuse, means c square. This is the main theorem. Clear, my dear student? Yes. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. Thank you, Noshin. Okay, your answer is correct. So this is the basic. A square plus b square equal to c square means the sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Okay. So where you can utilize this one? See. Okay. In MCQ, this one came compulsory, or it will also come like this. If two sides are given, then how can you find another side? Suppose this one 5 centimeter and this one 12 centimeter. What is the length of this side? Can you find out this one? What is the length of side AC? Okay. By applying this one, easily you can find out the length of AC. Okay. What is the length? Ashfaq Hussain to what? Comment me. Yes, you got correct answer. This one, 13 centimeter. Yes, your answer is correct. Okay, what about others? Yes, notion also got card answer. Thank you very much. Safa Akhtar, Shahriya, Tabassum got card answer. Thank you very much. See, if you consider this one A and this one B, so what is the formula? A square plus B square equal to C square. A square means 5 square and B square means 12 square. 12 square equal to C square. Now taking a square root on both sides, 25 plus 144, and this one means C. Why? Because root and square cancel, then you will get C. So by using calculator, you get the result 144 plus 25, it will be 169. So root 169 means 13 or C equal to 13. Means the other side will be 13 centimeter. Clear? So another question is that, or shortcut technique, if this side is unknown and these two sides are given, then you can apply like this way, a square plus b square. This is the shortcut technique. C equal to root a square plus b square, I mean 5 square plus 12 square. Means if hypotenuse is not given and other two sides are given, then easily taking a square root and the sum of the square of a square plus b square, then you get the result. Clear, my dear student? Only sum of the square of two sides, then taking a square root. Clear? If hypotenuse and base are given but perpendicular is not given, then what can you do? See, another question like this. This one 8 centimeter given, right angle, this one 10 centimeter given, but we don't know what is the length of AB. I mean, you have to find out the perpendicular side. Thus in Mahabuba, try to find out the length of side AB. Previous one, base perpendicular and base are given, hypotenuse not mentioned. But here, hypotenuse and base are given, we don't know perpendicular. Now, you can try to find out the length of side AB. Yes, Ashfaq Hussain got card answer. Thank you very much. This one, 6 centimeter. Very good. Okay. Formula is what? If you consider, always consider this one C, this one B, and this one A. Clear? No chance to got correct answer. So, what is the formula? A square plus B square equal to C square, or A square equal to C square minus B square. By taking a square root, we will get root C square minus B square. Means a square root and a square cancel. See, this one and that one goes to cancel and remaining only what? A. Okay. Or root C means what? 10 square. C square means 10 square. B square means what? 8 square. Okay. 10 times 100. 8 is 64. Means 36 equal 6 centimeter. A equal 6 centimeter. Or this one actually lengthy process. Just what is the shortcut technique? Just keep in mind, if any side is not mentioned, means I mean perpendicular or base is not given, then you can apply just this formula. Here perpendicular not given, just root C square minus B square. Clear? If B is not given, then root C square minus S square. Clear? Previous one is plus. Means when hypotenuse not given, that time added. But here, either perpendicular or base is not given, that time what? Subtracted. Or subtraction is needed. Clear, my dear student? Okay. So don't miss it. Very, very important. These three things, 5, 12, 13. Okay, in a nutshell, you can keep in mind this one. One question will come MCQ. If this one 5, this one 12, this one 13. If you memorize this one, easily you can what? Apply in MCQ. So if this one 6, this one 8, and that one 10 centimeter. Another one is very, very important. If this one 3 centimeter, this one 4 centimeter, and that one will be 5 centimeter. Clear, my dear students? Don't forget this one. 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. These are very, very important. And if you think that, you can write down this one in your notebook. These are very, very important. So don't miss it, and you can write down in your notebook. Okay. Now let's move to exercise 9, question number 8. Here almost all questions are very, very important. One number, one number, three number. Okay. Open it page 156. Page 156. Have you got, my dear students? Open it page 156. Have you got it? Okay, Ashfaq Hussain got. Okay, page 156, exercise 9, question number 1. This one, grade 9, 10 also, this one is there. So one number, you can mark. Three number, very, very important. I mean, forester. Full number, triple star. Clear, my dear students? 8 to 8 to 11, unlimited star. 8, 9, 10, 11, unlimited star. I have no word to express for Buddhism. These are very, very important. You can mark unlimited star 8 to 11 or 11, and here 12 to 21. These are MCQ. That's important for MCQ. Now let's move to page number 158. 158, 22, and 23 also unlimited star. 22 and 23. Actually 22, this one fully based on a statement of Pythagoras theorem and proof like this. Okay. And 23 number also very, very important. Clear, my dear students? Now let's move to question number 8. This problem fully based on Pythagoras related problems or theorems. Pythagoras related theorem. This exercise fully based on Pythagoras related. Okay, 8 number in triangle. In triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree, and D is a point on AC. D is a point on AC. Prove that BC square plus AD square equal BD square plus AC square. BC square plus AD square equal BD square plus AC square. If you know Pythagoras theorem statement, then easily you will get the result. Clear, my dear student? Okay. Again, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Clear, my dear student? Okay. So here triangle will be in triangle ABC. Triangle what? ABC. Angle A means 90. This one is very important content. And D is a point on AC. D is a suspended point which is what? Lie on AC. Lie on the side AC. And we have to prove that BC square plus AD square equal to BD square plus AC square. So let's try to draw the diagram. See, in triangle ABC, first of all, you need to identify which is right angle triangle. Angle is a right angle triangle, I mean this one 90 degree. Okay. And D is a point on AC. I mean, if you put the vertex here, the point C, then, and this one B, sorry, B, this one B, and D is a point on AC. Means you need to put the point here. D is a point on AC. Then BC square plus AD square means here triangle ABC. If you apply the inverse in triangle ABC, then you get BC square equal to what? AC square plus AD square. Okay. So here this one done. But how come AD So BD means to get BD square, you have to join or you need to join BD. Clear, my dear students? So you need to join the what? This one. Okay, so now write down the what particular and station given that in triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree, D is a point on AC. Let us join B comma D. It is required to prove that BC square plus AD square equal to BD square plus AC square. Clear, my dear student? Yes, midpoint D. D is a point on AC. So now write down the particular and station in triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree. Angle A equal what? 90 degree. D is a point on AC. Let us join B comma D. It is required to prove that BC square plus AD square equal BD square plus AC square. Now you can write down. Okay, have you done all of you? Okay, Safa, thank you very much. Okay, So now let's move to proof. So particular instance finished. In triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree. D is a point on AC, and B comma D join. Then we need to prove that BC square plus AD square equal to BD square plus AC square. So you need to apply Pythagoras theorem in two triangles. Means triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Then you'll get the result. Clear, my dear students? Okay. Triangle ABD, also right angle triangle, and triangle or ABC also another right angle triangle. So by using these two triangles, you'll get the result. Okay. Proof in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree. Angle A equal what? 90 degree. And BC is hypotenuse. BC is hypotenuse. Okay. Now applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, next time not need to write down. First of all, I need to write elaborately, that's why. Now applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. I mean this one hypotenuse, this one perpendicular, and this one base. So we can write BC square equal to what? AC square plus AB square. You can consider this one equation 1. This one equation 1. Okay, BC square equal AB square plus AC square, or AC square plus AB square plus AC square, or AC square plus AB square, no problem. Again in triangle, ABD, directly you can apply Pythagoras here. According to Pythagoras theorem, we get a BD square equal. Actually, keep in mind, here BD square equal to AD square plus AB square. But here, left side AD square, this one is left hand side is here. So we can write down like this way: AD square plus AD square plus AB square equal BD square. Okay. Sum of the square of the other two sides means this one square plus that one square equal to hypotenuse square. No problem. You can write down like this way also, because our left hand side AD square is there. So AD square equal BD square minus AB square. This one equation number 2. Now if you add equation 1 and 2, then we will get the result. How come? See here BC square, here AD square. Okay, if you join equation 1 and 2, we get BC square plus AD square equal AC square here plus AB square, here minus AB square. So plus AB square minus AB goes to cancel. The remaining is what? AC square plus BD square. Then you will get the result. Am I clear to you, my dear students? Any confusion, anything? It's so yummy actually. If you understand thing. Okay, no problem also. BD square minus AB square. AD square means. Or C or AD square, this one plus, when this one goes to right side, it will be minus. Now adding equation 1 and 2, now you can write down, now adding now adding equation 1 and 2, we get, see, equation 1 is what? BC square. Equation 2 is what? AD square. So we can write this one plus that one. AC square plus AB square plus BD square minus AB square. So this one and that one goes to cancel. Therefore, BC square plus AD square equal to BD square plus AC square. Proved. Am I clear to you, my dear student? If you have any confusion, yes, Safak, you got my point. Thank you very much, Safak. Keep it up. If you have any confusion, please let me know. I think this one is quite easy for you. I don't know what about your opinion. Please let me know. Yes, clear, sir. Sanjana also understood. Thank you very much. If you understood, then you can move to what next question. Next question also very yummy. If you what try to focus in this boot, then don't need to take any food. Pythagoras theorem is very interesting and too much yummy delicious. Okay, so now let's move to question number 9. Question number 9 is in triangle ABC, angle A, this one, angle A equal one right angle. There is a little bit mistake is there in your textbook. Try to rewrite this one. Sorry. In triangle ABC, angle A equal one right angle, full stop. If D and E are respectively the midpoint, no, you can write down like this way. If D or you can say like this way, if D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively, then prove that D square equal to C square plus BD square. Okay, now you can, what is the statement? In triangle ABC, 9 number, in triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree, angle A equal 90 degree, if D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively, prove that what? Prove that D square equal to C square plus BD square. So here, my dear students, by this time, so you can just continue from drawing. No need to write the given things in book. Okay, thank you very much. So by this time, you can do like comment, give like, comment, and subscribe my channel also if you don't do like this. So, uh, what is the main thing? In triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree. This one very important content. This one 90 degree. D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC. D is the midpoint of AB and E is the another midpoint of what? AC. So let's try to draw the diagram. See, get the diagram. In triangle ABC, this one means 90 degree. Okay. If you consider this vertex C, this one C, okay. So what is the midpoint? D. D is the midpoint of AB and E is the other midpoint of AC. Then D square equal to, don't try to understand, don't write down anything. First of all, try to understand. Okay, my dear student, looking at the board. See, in triangle ABC, angle A means 90. Clear, my dear student? Angle A means 90. D is the midpoint of AB and E is the other midpoint of S. Okay. So let's move to what? Proof. D square equal to C square plus BD square. D how come? Without joining DE, can you imagine D square? No. So at first, you need to join D comma E. Then we'll be able to what? Apply Pythagoras theorem here. In triangle ADE, by applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADE, D square equal to what? AD square plus AE square. Then easily get the result. Am I clear to you, my dear student? Now you can write down particular enunciation. This one fully given here. Given that, you can write down in triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree. If D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively, then let us join. You can add another point is there, another line. Let us join D comma E. It is required to prove that. Don't write down prove that. You can write what? It is required to prove that. Clear, my dear student? Now you can try to write particular enunciation. Given that in triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree and angle A equal 90 degree, D and E are the midpoints. D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. Let us join D comma E. It is required to prove that it is required to prove that D square equals E square plus B square. Okay, so for third, clear, Shaharima Tawassum. Thank you very much. Is it okay? Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi off. No, I think yes. I think zero problem. But I think here is it clear? I think so. Yes, yes. Thank you very much. So I think particular incident finished. Now let's move to proof. Proof C. If this one, since D is the midpoint of AB, so we can say AD equal what? BD. Let's move to proof. My dear student, see, if D is the midpoint of AB, that time we can say AD equal BD. Again, if E is the midpoint of AC, that time we can say AE equal EC. Clear, my dear student? Okay, so you can write this one since D is the midpoint of AB, therefore AD equal BD. Equation 1. Again, E is the midpoint of AC, therefore AE equal CE. This one equation 2. Okay, now in triangle ABD we get, I mean, if you apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AD, then what happened? D square equal A square plus AD square again. D square equal to A square plus AD square. According to Pythagoras theorem, you will get this one. Clear, my dear student? See, D is the midpoint of AB. We can say AD equal BD. E is the midpoint of AC. That time we can say A equal to EC. Now applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle, no triangle ADE. Now in triangle ADE, yes. Now applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADE, D square equal to A square plus AD square. Okay. Now let's see. Or D square equal A means what? Let's see the proof. Here C and B is given. So we can write A means C from equation 2. I mean C square. Yeah, AD means what? AD means BD because these the midpoint of AB. That's why you can say AD equal BD plus BD square from 1 and 2. Okay, we got the result. Therefore, DE square equal to CE square plus BD square. Proved. Is it okay or not? Am I clear to you? A triangle ADE. Yes, sir, it's okay. Thank you very much. Cosine from equation 1 and 2. Okay. Have you finished your writing? One problem is remaining. I mean, which number? 10 number. Then I want to stop the session. Clear, my dear student? Okay. Now let's move to question number 10. Question number 10. In triangle ABC, okay, AD is perpendicular to BC and AB greater than AC. I mean, length of side AB greater than what? Length of side AC. Prove that AB square minus AC square equal BD square minus CD square. Do you have textbook or not? Or COVID-19? Due to COVID-19, you have lost this one. Do you have reader or do you have textbook? Yes, sir. Thank you very much. So, question number 10. This one is given in triangle ABC. AD is perpendicular to. In triangle ABC, I want to write shortly. AD is perpendicular to BC and AB is greater than AC. It is required to prove that AB square minus AC square equal BD square minus CD square. Clear, my dear student? Now, let's see the diagram. ABC is a triangle in which AD is perpendicular to BC. So, now we can draw the triangle. ABC is a triangle. AB is greater than AC. Obviously, this one is greater. And AD is perpendicular to BC. So we can say that this one is a right angle triangle. I mean, triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. And at the same time, triangle ADC also what? Another right angle triangle. Clear, my dear student? Am I clear to you? No, these are not equal to here AB greater than SC. See, So this one a triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular to BC. That time, two triangle produce triangle ABD and triangle ADC, and both are right angle triangle. We need to prove that AB square minus AC square. See, if we apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD, we'll get AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. This was equation 1. Again, if we apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ACD, then we'll get AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. Then subtracting 2 from 1, then you'll get the result. It's very easy. You can write down the word particular annotation. Particular in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC and AB greater than AC. It is required to prove that AB square minus AC square equal BD square minus CD square. It is required to prove that AB square minus AC square equal BD square minus CD square. Clear, my dear student? Okay. Now let's move to proof. Okay, now let's see in triangle ABD, applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD, we get AB square equal AD square plus BD square. Equation 1. Here again in triangle ACD, we get okay. Again, in triangle ACD, if we apply Pythagoras theorem, you get AC square equal AD square plus CD square. AC square equal AD square plus CD square. This was equation number 2. Am I clear to you, my dear student? If you have any confusion or any hesitation, please you can ask me. Feel without hesitation. Just what? Here in these two triangles, in triangle ABD, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, you got AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Similarly, if you apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ACD, then we got what? AC square equal AD square plus CD square. Okay, now yes, Rifa, no problem. What? Not Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday I will take live class or what on Wednesday, Friday, and Wednesday. Okay, Tuesday and Thursday for grade 10 and Monday for grade 12. Your schedule is available. Okay, that's why. Yes, only Wednesday and Friday at 9 p.m. Don't miss the class. Okay. So here see triangle ABD and triangle ACD. What is the proof? Minus is there. AB square also there, AC square also there. So if you subtract 2 from 1, then you get the result. Okay, now you can do subtracting 2 from 1, or if you're without mathematical problem, you can write only like this way also, or you can write as a sentence subtracting 2 from 1, or this one, no problem. 1 minus 2 means this one minus that one, we will get a b square minus ac square. This one's to left side, this one's to left side. So this one minus that one equal ad square plus bd square minus, here this one plus this one what? Minus ad square minus cd square plus ad square minus ad square goes to cancel. Bd square minus cd square is what we call result. We got ab square minus ac square equal to bd square minus cd square. Proof. What about your opinion, my dear students? I hope all of you understood today's topic. Please let me know if you have any confusions. Let me know. Euclid was the inventor of geometry. Clear, my dear student? So you can try to solve 1 number, 3 number, and 4 number. This homework for you. If you face any difficulty or any hesitation, then I will discuss next class. Okay? I mean Wednesday. Homework you can write down. Exercise 9, 1 number, 3 number, and 4 number. Exercise 9. 1, 3, and 4. Yes. 1, 3, 4 already done. Ashfaq done. Okay, no problem. If you finish this one, you can try to solve 11 number also. Next class, I will discuss creative questions. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 11 also very, very important. Don't miss that question also. So that's all for today. Advance Eid Mubarak all of you. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and also you don't waste your time and you can properly place your time. I am really happy about your performance. You are doing awesome performance. May Allah bless you, and as well as your family also. And please let me know about your thoughts. I'm trying to give you the best one. Okay, my dear student, don't worry. If you feel any problem, any hesitation in any topic, please ask me. Okay, I am always ready for you, because কর্মময় জীবনে আনন্দময় পরিবেশ বিস্তার করে। I firmly believe this one. Okay, so Allah Hafiz, best of luck, all the best wishes for you, and finally, Ma salama. Allah Hafiz.